There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed. Never fun is not the sabotage. This got to be more. Been here before. Life's better.
Is I am like an indoors person, so yeah, this vlog is practically just gonna be about me staying indoors because like I literally got nowhere to go for the time being. I'm gonna try to get productive, basically what I'm trying to do in this vlog. So yeah, like, I'm gonna show y'all some paintings that I did, and hold up, y'all, let me show y'all. Okay, so yeah, like this is one of the painting that I did. This is actually a Pinterest inspired idea. So yeah, like, so I decided to put this up on my wall somewhere else, and I really love it. And y'all know that Halloween is coming real soon. So yeah, and I love this too because like they be giving me Halloween vibes. Yeah, can y'all tell? And this one's gonna be going close to my door because sometimes I vlog with that place and I just want to be seeing more of this around. I've always wanted to have a write up like frame close to my bed, so that is basically what I'm gonna be doing. It's just gonna be a write-up, and there are tons of write-up that I've seen on Instagram which are really cute, and also on Pinterest. So I'm gonna be deciding on the one I want to do in this vlog, and I'm gonna show y'all like how I'm gonna get it done because I'm a DIY girly and most of these frames cost a whole lot and I do not have that cash to spend. So we're gonna be doing this ourselves in this vlog because we're trying to get productive. Okay, so my nails are literally old. Can y'all see that? Like this looks literally old, and this one is actually broken. Like this actually broke today while I was doing laundry, and I really do not know what to do because like I'm gonna be having my shoots done, so I gotta get these nails done. And like I think I should make my frame first. I don't know if I should do that on camera or off camera because like if I am vlogging and doing that shit, like I'm just gonna have a lot of pressure on me because I know y'all gonna be watching that. I'm gonna try to show y'all what it looks like. Yeah, I really don't know where this vlog is going to because right now I really do not know. I've got a bunch of clips that they don't really make sense at the moment. That sounds weird, but we're just gonna try our best so they make sense. Alright, it is what it is though. Enjoy. Toodles.
Whip, body, crib. Got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't.
So yeah, like I just finished journaling, so I'm about to go get dinner and then I'm gonna go shower because I like to eat dinner before I shower so that way I do not forget to brush my teeth. So yo, like I got bit by a mosquito right here, so I don't really know, but it is like itching like crazy. I really don't know. I'm just gonna put some lotion over there. But anyways, y'all, like I'm just gonna go get my dinner first and then I'm gonna shower. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because it is already the time is already 8:30 p.m. so I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. So yeah, bye. Good morning. I just got out of the shower and you're like I'm just gonna be applying facial products on my face. And this is what I use for my face because like I don't know y'all, for some reason this has been really good for my face. It makes my face real smooth and keeps my face like hydrated. This is the hydration base from NYX. So y'all, like, I know this is supposed to be for makeup, but like for some reason it feels really good for my face. Loving it ever since I tried it out. I have really been loving it. So yeah, that is basically what I use for my face this period every single time because it works really good. It makes my face feel hydrated. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of decoration. I plan to hang up my frames on the wall, like this part of my wall where I've got my leaf, my green leaf, and my ring, my tape light. So yeah, like my tape light has issues, like the adapter that is the charger is having issues, so I gotta go get a new one. And y'all, like, I don't really know when I'm gonna be doing that because yeah, like, it's a little bit expensive, so I'm just gonna chill a little bit. Like, I'm gonna figure out when I could go get like the charger for my tape light. But for today, y'all, like, I'm just gonna be putting up some frames on my wall to make my background look a little bit like, you know, cute. And I told y'all that I was gonna be doing Pinterest inspired decors in my room. But y'all, like, we're just gonna be starting off little by little. So I'm gonna be putting up those frames first, and then we can start with something else. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be doing my edges, and like, I gotta go out to go get breakfast. So yeah, like,
You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games. I know you see it in my line. I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad. So I'm cool.
So yeah, guys, that is basically it. So I'm just gonna dress up and head out to eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna see you guys when like,
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action?
Outfit of the day: this short jeans and this yellow tank top. So I'm basically just gonna be staying home today because it is a Sunday and I did not go to church today. So I'm just gonna be staying home, and I'm gonna be doing some home decors, just like I said, in my room. And I guess I'm editing. So yeah, I'm gonna be editing some videos and pictures for my Instagram. I don't really know, y'all, have these pictures that I took, but yo, like, the thing is, the pictures that I took, I don't know, yo, I wouldn't say they're not Instagram worthy, but like, to me, I don't really feel okay posting them on Instagram. But yo, like, I'm gonna see what I can do about it because I gotta post some on Instagram. It's been long since I posted on Instagram, so yeah, I gotta post some. So
You wanna give your arm a flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in your new shit. You on that last year? Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit? Ayy, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, run flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela.
I just decided to just leave them plain black because I am really feeling the plain black vibe. This is gonna go well with my outfit. Like, this is what the nails look like, and I'm feeling the vibe. They look super cute and lovely. So thank y'all for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all on my next video. Bye. Peace. We out.
Yeah, I'm always in Gucci. Yo, mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be choosy. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't.